Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you'll first want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, like so, which will bring down your toggles. Now, somewhere below here, you should be able to find your Do Not Disturb mode. If you don't see it, like me, you can click on the edit button right here at the bottom. I missed it. Let's try it again. There we go. And swipe down, and you'll find a bunch of toggles that you can add in addition to that list. One of them being Do Not Disturb mode. Once you add it, click on the check mark right here, and you can see it's now saved. Now I do also want to add, if you wish to see the labels for these toggles, you can click on edit and swipe up, and you will find this little toggle right here to show you the labels like they are visible right now. When you turn that on, these labels will be visible in here as well. Now anyway, once you see the toggle, hold it. This will take you to the settings, and I do recommend doing that at least the first time around. In here you have a relatively limited amount of settings, to be completely honest, but maybe you'll find something that you want to change. Going over these options, we have obviously the toggle to turn on and off. We have the option to only have it run when the device is locked, meaning when you're using it. The mode, even when it's on, it will act as though it's off. And next we have notify about calls. So you can get a notification about someone trying to reach you, and you can classify or specify who you will be notified about. And you have basically anyone, which kind of defeats the purpose of this mode, from contacts only, from favorite contacts, or no one. Now, one additional thing, we have a toggle right here to notify about repeated calls. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, when this toggle is enabled, it will bypass whatever you have selected right here above. Now, one last option here is the schedule turn on timer. So you can add a schedule, and I will recommend setting one up regardless. And that one would be running every single day of the week. And we can select it to start at, pick a time where if the phone makes a noise, it wouldn't annoy you. So for me, maybe that's going to be something like 9 p.m. And then I can select end 9:01 p.m. And yes, I am setting this up just for a single minute. This will be relevant later on. And make sure that it is running every single day of the week. When you create any kind of schedule, it automatically becomes enabled. So if you don't want it to run, you can just turn it off. Now, obviously, I selected this one as a addition, but if you want to use a schedule mode that is obviously at different times, then by all means set one up. And you can have multiple schedules running at the same time, including this one that I do recommend setting up. And the reason why I recommend setting it up is because let's turn on the mode. So you would swipe down, and to use it manually, you just tap on a toggle to enable it. Now, as you've seen, it just turns on. In the settings, there was nothing to define what happens when you turn it on. And other devices do give you the opportunity to, for instance, set it on a timer or specify some kind of period that it will run for every single time, or ask you every time you turn it on what you want to do. Here, you don't got none of that. So if you potentially forget to turn it off later on, now we have that schedule mode that it's going to turn on at 9 p.m. every single day of the week, and it will turn off at 9:01. Now, when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, at 9 it's going to try to turn it on, but hey, it's already on. At 9:01, because it's already enabled, it's going to turn it off. So it does give you this kind of peace of mind that even when you forget about it, the phone will turn it off for you, which is pretty good. But obviously, if you remember about it and you want to turn it off, find the toggle, tap on it, and you're good to go. And obviously, if you selected some kind of schedule, different one, you don't need to do anything. The phone will turn it on and off at a specified time and day of the week. So with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.